Hey everybody, how's it going? Today is February 25th, 2022. As you can see, I got my leaf blower here. And what's all this? Fresh snow. It's very light and very fluffy. And, well, earlier, that's a rant for another day. Earlier, all those steps over there, I was able to just sweep them off, no problem. I only had to shovel the bottom of it. But I'm going to try this and use it to blow off the cars. Maybe try to clean up this mess some. And just touch up the driveway. I don't know if I'll do the whole thing, but yeah. Let's see if this even starts. I haven't started it once this year. I let my friend borrow it. And I just got it back from him a couple weeks ago. Had no gas in it. He ran it until it ran out. I just bought fresh gas. Alright, and choke it. And okay. It was kind of cold-blooded when back in the fall, so I expect it's going to be the same now. It wants to go. Just try that. Come on, you bastard. Maybe I flooded it, I don't know. Hitting it 5 times shouldn't have flooded it, at least not that much, but take a breather for a second. This is the Echo PB755 ST. Oh shit. Yeah, because it's this switch. You use. I'll flick it up. I don't remember which direction's off. I'm pretty sure. Oh no, that is right. Hey, we're getting somewhere. Oh, it's fired twice. Let's see. There's so much shit in here. It's like 13 degrees out, too. Alright. Oh, it tried. It tried. It's firing now a little bit. He's up. I haven't used this a whole lot, if you can't tell. second, so it'll actually supposed to give it a couple minutes to warm up. But that'll give me time to get my gloves on and stuff. And I'll show you the results after I'm done. Anyway, thanks for watching.